XRP is likely to advance 3.6% by tomorrow, according to GovCapital. To begin, let's check the current market development. As we record this, XRP is showing a 1% gain and is trading near $1.0227. Let's jump into what analysts project. Tomorrow, CoinLore anticipates a drop toward $1.01, which would mean a decrease of about 1.2%. XRP may approach $1.0185 per coin codex, a fall of approximately 0.4%. 30 rates highlights the potential to reach up to $1.0327, a rise estimated at 1%. A different projection from GovCapital sees XRP advancing toward $1.0591, an increase of about 3.6%. Finally, crypto predictions forecasts a move toward $1.191 by August 13, marking a gain of 16.5%. This is the strongest return potential in our lineup. 5 forecasts covered. Let's keep moving. All 5 predictions are in. Here's what they collectively suggest. Looking at the forecasts side by side, the projected movement in price is between a drop of 1.2% and an increase of 16.5%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, crypto predictions projects the highest gain with 16.5% upward move in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $4 and $165 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, CoinCodex is leading the field with a forecast that carries a 75.3% chance of success. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a common scenario. The consensus projection shows XRP settling around $1.0622. Alright, let's dig in. The consensus average implies a 3.9% increase by tomorrow. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 3.9% if the trend follows through. With 1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $39. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 34.7%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecasts before moving on. CoinLore suggests XRP will retreat from current levels. CoinCodex indicates the chart will remain balanced. 30 rates anticipates downward movement in the near term. GovCapital sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. A move higher is similarly suggested by crypto predictions. Analysts together suggest XRP will lean higher over the coming 3 days. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that XRP is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the day's market action settled at $1.0229. The market close showed that only 2 forecasts pointed the right way. If accuracy is the key factor, coin price forecast ranked first. Let's go through it. Out of all the predictions, only one hit the candle range. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and CoinDataFlow had the highest return at 2.4%. Up next, the results view. A clear picture of how all forecasts worked out. At a glance, GovCapital was given 77.9% forecast probability, $0.0135 accuracy, and minus 1.1% ROI. See who managed to anticipate the move best. Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for XRP.